Hi, I'm Chenglin. This is my USC INF 554 project video. Hope you like this. Unemployment rate is an important index to evaluate a country's economy. The goal of our project is to express the unemployment in recent years and illustrate the relationships between social properties and jobless rate. The factors we selected include education level, industry, ages, and duration. 5 charts are used in our project corresponding to 5 categories of unemployment, and we use Bootstrap combined with D3 to visualize the data. At first, we create a timeline to help people remind the important economic event in recent 40 years. In this visualization, we combine bar chart with line chart. Bars represent the unemployment rate of the US through years, and lines represent the GDP growth rate. We tell the detailed information in tooltip. By combining these two kinds of graphs, the relationship between GDP and job losses are more obvious. Although it is not totally precise, we still see an overall trend that unemployment rate and GDP are in inverse proportion. The next one represents the correlation between education level and job losses. It can change between group bar chart and stack bar chart. The diagram I'm showing is the unemployment comparison between education in recent 20 years. In the stack version, at the knowledge we got in timeline, the Great Recession began at 2008, and it recovered after 2 years. Beyond this appearance, it also tells us more people with lower education lost their job. At the common sense, in depression, unemployment rate went up significantly, but did this phenomenon occur in all industries? A combined line chart answers this question as what we expected. We use different colors to mark industries. In the diagram, when your cursor scrolls over a line or a kind of industry, all the other will become translucent to highlight your selection. From this picture, we get to know that the unemployment rate of mining and gas extraction reached 8% in 2008. But comparing with government workers, only another 2% of them lost their job in economic depression. Long-term unemployed are people who lost their job more than 27 weeks. This area chart shows the long-term unemployed as a percent of total. It's easier to tell cumulative data and its trend over time. For this graph, we can see that change of ratio and the time they reach their highest are not synchronized. This chloroplast map is the unemployment of all states in the US. We can access detailed value by moving mouse over any state. The map provides an easy way to visualize how unemployment varies across the country. It's obvious that the condition in the central area is better than the other. Under the map, we add 2 bar charts which representing the value of jobless rate and GDP. Their locations are corresponding to each other, which means it's easier to compare these two values of one state. By scrolling over your cursor, corresponding rectangles will be highlighted. We also use a button-triggered pop-up window to show age distribution of job losses. The bar chart indicates the number of people in each state, and the pie chart means the portion of people in age range. By clicking the bar chart, pie chart will show proportion of this state, and if we click an area of pie chart, the bars will show the number of persons in selected age range. In general, we successfully found some patterns by comparing unemployment rate of different states, ages, industries, education, and durations, and the relationship between job losses and GDP using visualization tools. And the data we use are labeled for statistics from the current population survey. Files are separated in CSV file by attributes, and we clean the data and select what we need. And that's all. Thank you.